Okay, boys and girls, ta-da! I got a small microwave now. And I made a little wedge there, so I screwed that to the top of the battery bank, and then some short screws into the side of the microwave. And then I got one screw going in here. I had to be very careful. I didn't hit any of the internal mechanisms, but I think I got that done. So I wanted this because cooking a potato is very hard over a barbecue or any other way. I know some people say that microwaves will poison your food. I'm not sure about that. I'm sure it's better to cook them over a fire, but this will take care of steak on the frying pan and a potato cooked right there. And then if I'm out of gas, I can heat up some water for coffee or whatever. But because I should have plenty of solar, plenty of energy, electricity from the sun. So yeah, that's the latest and greatest from the $1,000 van build. And by the way, this microwave was $39 at Home Depot. It's 700 watt, and I got a 2000 watt inverter, so we should be fine for short things. Okay guys, I'll keep you posted on what's next on the $1,000 van build.